Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, then type in control panel and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select the view by as category, then click on network and internet, then select network and sharing center. Once we are here, click on change adapter settings, then simply right click on your internet connection and select properties. So you can see we need to check this option, that is internet protocol version 4 IPv4. So select it, then click on OK. Once done, just close this window, then click here and open settings. Then we need to select network and internet, then just scroll down and select advanced network settings. Again scroll down and click on network reset. Select here and click on S. So Windows will shut down in 5 minutes, so close this window. Now we need to execute some commands. For that, just right click here, click on task manager, then click on run new task and click on browse button. Open this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then open system32 folder and find out cmd.exe file. Select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Now we need to just execute some commands here. Simply type in int ip, my bad, we need to type in net sh int ip reset and hit enter. So type in net sh winsock reset and hit enter. Then execute this command ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Then execute this command ipconfig space /renew, or you can simply type in release and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space /renew and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Now simply type exit to close the command prompt window. Now we need to restart your system. Simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.